Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft Print to PDF on Windows 11, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Microsoft Print to PDF on Windows 11, start by clicking on the Start menu. Locate and select the Settings app from the list. In the Settings menu, choose the Devices option. On the left sidebar, click on Printers and Scanners. Here, you will see a list of all installed printers. Look for Microsoft Print to PDF in the list. If it is not listed, click on Add a printer or scanner. Windows will search for available devices. Select the printer that I want isn't listed when prompted. In the next window, choose Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click Next to continue. From the list of printer ports, select Use an existing port. Choose Documents from the drop-down menu. Click Next to proceed. Now, select Microsoft from the manufacturer list. In the model list, choose Microsoft Print to PDF. Click on Next. Choose whether to set it as your default printer, then click Next. Finally, click on Finish to complete the installation. To test the configuration, open any document you want to print. Select the Print option from the File menu. Choose Microsoft Print to PDF from the list of available printers. Click on Print and specify the location to save your PDF. Your document will be converted and saved as a PDF file in the selected location. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.